Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're joining us from. I think first I will have to do a very proper apology because I've been having issues with the internet. It's raining heavily here. I'm back to Nigeria. For those of you that joined last week, we did a live session, but we're not in the country. I'm back to Nigeria, and the network whew, has been messy. The network has been very messy. Okay, so I want to just I really apologize for the delay. All right, however, I think I fixed that. Also, I had to just park because I'm actually on my way somewhere. I had to park. I'm on my way to the house. All right, I had to park to do this live stream. Because no time to give excuse. All right, no time to give excuse. It's raining heavily here, like heavily here. Anyways, that said, I feel so happy. I feel so happy. Um, I mean, in about a month, we've touched down over 3 countries. Which is good. Which is good. At least it's good. It was a much needed vacation. All right, I'm back to base. I'm back to base. Let's get to business. No time to waste. No time for anything. Um, I'm back to base. Um, you know what we're gonna do? Drop your location in the chat box, please. I beg you. Let me know where you are joining from. I'm waiting to see your location. Oh. I'm waiting to see your location. Where are you joining from? I say come to Abuja. Nigeria. We're in Nigeria. I'm in Lagos right now. Victor Oyedele. Where in Nigeria are you connecting from? Lagos, Nigeria. Hey, Jenny Pro. Jenny Pro. Amazing, amazing. Let me do a screenshot of this. Jenny Pro, good to see you here. Good to see you here. Good to see you here, brother. Good to see you here. Good to see you here. Abuja, Lagos, Kwara. That's Ilorin. Good morning. Ekiti. Amazing. Well, let's get to business. Let's get to business. I'm really excited because today is gonna be short. All right. Lagos. Today is gonna be short. Today's session is gonna be short. However, um, I'm very sure that it's gonna be impactful. I'm very sure that you're gonna learn a few things today. I'm very sure about that because I mean, I me the teacher. I be teacher. I dey teach. They teach well. Eh, all right. So I'll start with the basics of forex first. Today's the introduction session, but I'm only doing this because I have to be sensitive to those who are on the live stream right now. I have to be very sensitive, knowing that there are people on the live stream whose first time joining is today. Some people this is the first time even hearing about forex. All right, some people this is the first time even hearing about forex. Um, some people this is the first time even hearing about forex. So what is forex? Foreign exchange. It's that simple. Like it is that simple. Foreign exchange. This is called forex. Foreign exchange. So foreign exchange means that I'll walk you through it. So before, in the time of our forefathers, they used to do trade by barter, right? They used to do trade by barter system. Now that trade by barter system involves um exchanging goods for goods. Do you understand what I'm saying? Involves exchanging goods for. I want you to write God past network. Write God past this network on the chat box. Everybody. God past this network. Write it on the chat box. God past this network. Write it on the chat box. God past this network. I'm serious. Write it. This is very spiritual. God past this network. Sorry, the network is messy here, man. Honestly, the rain is messing with me. God pass this network. Network, you are not God. Oh, you network, hear the word of God. You are not God. Okay, so let's get back to business. God pass this network. Yes, sir. It's Emmanuel Peter. If you speak from me, I don't know. Joshua, all the way from Abuja. I know you very well. Connect to Huawei 6G. What's that? I never used 5G. Finish, make I go 6G. But I beg go. It's 5G finish. This nigga don't need anything. Make I go 6G. Well, because I'm using my phone to do the live stream, I'm using my phone to do the hotspot. I'm out of the house. I'm on 5G right now. You can see 5G enabled. Anyways, um, not pass this network. Yes, sir. Talking about Forex, and I said Forex started first as trade by barter. You wanted rice, I had beans, and then we just exchange, and everybody good. Um, welcome, Femi. And everybody's good. Nobody is arguing. Everybody's good. And then we moved to the era where things changed from exchanging rice for rice to exchanging. Some people got offended that when I give you beans that took months, so you give me maize. I cannot give you um maize that took 3 months to grow, and then you give me uh pepper that took 2 weeks to grow. That's not balanced. Some people start getting offended basically. And then they were like, okay, let's be able to measure the units of what we are giving out. So they just start measuring ounces, measured in ounces. So 5 ounces of rice for 5 ounces of beans, and we're good. And then we're doing that for another maybe 400 years, who knows? After a while, people who got offended. I know now. I cannot give you three maid servants and you give me 500 cows or 3 cows. You cannot compare them now. This one has sense, don't have sense. You can't compare them. So they got offended again. That we cannot just be using the measured quantity. So they now said, you know what? Let's start exchanging money for goods. So tell me the worth of the goods. And I'll tell you, this is my money, I want to pay for it. So 50 shekels of silver can buy this. So give me 50 shekels of silver, I'll give you this thing that you need. So first from goods to goods to measured amount of goods to measured amount of goods. What do I mean? We first went from exchanging goods for goods, then we increased to exchanging measured amount of goods for another measured amount of goods. Then we moved to exchanging measured amount of goods for money. That's the third one. After that third stage where we were measuring some goods for money, we now move to measured. We now move to exchanging money for money. What do I mean money for money? I have 50 shekels of silver. You have 50 shekels of gold. Let's exchange it. All right. Then after a while, they started exchanging money for money, but inter-country. All right. So you are going to see King Solomon in his country, but you cannot pay. You cannot pay your own local currency in its place. So take my own currency. I give you your own currency, and everybody will be good. Do you understand what I'm saying? Sorry. Um, yeah, I'm with you now. So start exchanging money for money. So look at the trajectory of the increase. First, goods for goods, then measured amount of goods for measured amount of goods. Now, measured amount of goods for money, then money for money. All right. After exchanging money for money, then I said, no, let's take it a step higher. When you're going to another country, you need that country's currency. So you now went to foreign exchange and measuring, exchanging another country's currency for another country's currency. I went to where I was and I had to change my money to dollar, right? That was how many weeks ago. I first changed everything to dollars and changed to the local currency. So that is forex I just did there. All right, that's exchanging money for money. The only difference now with that I did there and what I'll teach you guys across the next few weeks. The only difference is that what I'm teaching you, um you don't have to get cash to exchange. You don't. You'll be able to do it from your phone. That's the only difference. That's the only difference. But we are doing the same thing, I promise you. Ah, Pastor Awesome. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at who we have on the call. Pastor Awesome. Ah, look at that. Pastor Awesome. Good to see you here. I'm so happy you joined. Oh my god. Look at that. Guys, in case you don't know, Pastor Awesome is my commander in chief. It's my commander in chief. Pastor Awesome. Thank you so much, Emoji. You came to learn what? You that have money already. Stop that. This man, I mean, came to supervise. Maybe they sent it from the holies of holies. Come and supervise my class. Now you're going to make me shy. Pastor Awesome. All right. Let's go ahead with the class. um, so I just had to break that down so that you can understand the trajectory of the increase. All right. So we have moved past exchanging goods for goods and exchanging measured amount of goods for measured amount of goods, or even exchanging random money for random money. Now we're exchanging money for money. All right. And the only difference is we're doing it from the comfort of our home. And that's what I'm going to teach you. Now, let me tell you the pros and cons of this industry. First is you get so I will start with the cons, then I'll go to the pros. First is you get so used to heavy amounts, and then you might live in a facade of wealth. Meanwhile, you really don't have it. Follow me closely. I'm telling you from experience. So. Oh my god! If you hear the way I call $7.7 trillion industry, I don't have $1 trillion in my account. Oh. I don't get them. I can't lie to you. I don't really get that $1 trillion you are hearing me call. I'm only telling you that that's the capacity of the market. Am I the market? Is my name Forex? Did I write Forex on my head? No. So that's the first con. You can live in the facade of you can live in the facade of heavy numbers, or you'll be broke. That's the first con in this industry. So you have to watch it. Now, what's the way to avoid it? Know that any money you are calling, define it. This money is in the Forex market, not in my account. Define it. My brother, define that money. Don't be part of those that just call heavy numbers and people think it is their money. No, I'm not part of them. Do you see me go online and say I have $1 trillion? I've never said it. I will never say it until God give me the money. It's not my own now. Why will I not go and be telling people that I have it? It's not. That's the first con in this industry. Second con in this industry is you get so used to dollar and you would almost disrespect your local currency. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I'm humble about it. There's no day that goes by and I don't get an extra money in my account, and it's always dollar. At least in the last 4 years, I earn every day, including Sunday. There's money, but it's not your money, yes, sir. See, I earn every day, including Sunday, Monday, Saturday. Every day I earn money, and it's dollar. Do you understand? So that's the second con. You earn dollars, though. The only difference, the only problem is that it make you to almost disrespect your local currency. So let me tell you the trick behind that. First trick for the heavy numbers is yes, money is not your money. Second trick for this one is earn in dollar, spend in your local currency. That way you have a higher purchasing power. Oh my god, somebody's not listening to me. Earn in dollar, spend in your local currency. That way we have a higher purchasing power. The day I knew that my money is not plenty, I traveled out of the country to go and buy things. If I buy, I thought I earned dollars. I thought I earned dollars. Where's my dollar? Oh, am I a dollar? Someone did not get that. Oh my god. But I'm serious actually. So that's the second con in this industry. You have to know how to differentiate it. Earning dollars but spending your local currency. If I'm making sense, right? 555 in the chat box. Just type 555. If what I'm saying makes any sense to you, right? 555. Earn in dollar, spend in your local currency. That way it gives you higher purchasing power. I beg you, don't forget this advice I'm giving you before we start the class, so that you will not get to the class now and then you are confused. I beg you, earn in dollar, spend in your local currency. Okay. Yeah, so I thought I earn in dollar. Oh, am I now a dollar? Maybe I'm the dollar. Oh my god. All right. So that's another thing actually that I think you should really pay attention to. Let me blow Jenny Pro's trumpet a little bit more. So Jenny Pro is the one that is one of the best music producers I know, and that's because I've seen his work. I've seen his work ethic. I've been with him in the same room for long hours, seeing him work. And oh my God, he's one of the best I know. You are a musician, gospel minister, or you want to just do recording in and around Ibadan. Oh my God. In fact, I and you know our awesome delight Ayebola um went all the way with the team to Ibadan to record some sounds, that God gave us. He's the one that does for Faith Owolabi. I'm sure many of you know her. Faith Elvis. He's very good, I promise you. He's very good, don't worry. I don't need to cajole anybody, just check him out. That's the truth. I don't need to cajole anybody about anything. He's very good. He's very good at what he does. And more about his character. So his character is excellent. Some people's character do not speak excellence. No, no, no. His character speaks excellence. Do you understand? His character reflects in his results. You can tell. You can tell that this person has been with Jesus. He's not just doing business for the sake of business. No, his character is good. He's doing business from a kingdom perspective. He's doing business from a kingdom perspective. I love you so much, my brother. Pastor Triumph, may you triumph in all things. I love you so much. All right, so let's get back to business. Foreign exchange of honor. Yes, Pastor. Oh my God, I like this one. Foreign exchange of honor. So let's get back to business. All right. So that's the second con. I'll give you one more con. The third con is it's going to test your character. Forex will test every character you thought you had. Patience. Forex will show you that you are very impatient. Do you understand? He said that Pastor David, I will fight you this one. Forex will test your patience. Listen to me, please. Forex will test your commitment. Forex will test the belief you say you have in yourself. Forex will test your discipline. Forex will test your self-control. Forex will show you that you are not disciplined. Oh my God. Forex will show you that you are stubborn. In fact, Forex will show you. Oh God. Should I tell you things? To test all the character you thought you had. All. Forex will show you that you are reckless with money. See, you will make money, you blow that money up, and you will say, Jesus. I thought I'm the one that used to preach financial management up and down. Forex will test every single thing that you think you have. Are you joking with Forex? Forex is not your 9 to 5. Your 9 to 5, you will go there, there's a salary at the end of the month, whether the company makes profit or not. In Forex, you don't make profit, you don't see salary. So your profit is based on your commitment. And your commitment is a showcase of your character. Forex will test that character that you think you have. Am I making any sense? Forex will test every character you think you have. Self-control, Forex will test it. Forex will test, it will show you that you are greedy. Yes, I like that one. Forex will show you that you are very greedy. Yes, I like this. Commitment, stubbornness. Yes, sir. Forex will show you that you are very greedy. That you're not that you are not contented. Forex will show you. Forex is not your 9 to 5. Oh, are you joking with Forex? You think you want to do Forex? I'm scaring you now so that you will go if you want to go. I want to know that those I'm teaching are those that will stay with me and will yield fruits. The Bible says that the fruit may remain. That's what God gave me as assignment. I should go and make fruits, and that those fruits will remain. I'm trying to build those that will remain. Forex will test every single character you think you have. Time management, Forex will test it. Enter the market by 8, you see yourself by 11 p.m. 8, the next day I've not reached 11 p.m. that other day. I'm waiting for the market. You know that you don't have time management. You don't have it. You don't have it. Forex will show you everything to your face. Forex is like a mirror. You will read your life. Say Jesus, Jesus. How many calls did I give you? 3. You have a lot of you call numbers, but you think it's your own. Don't be caught up in that facade. It is money, it's not your money. Until you see any money you don't withdraw into your bank account is not your money. Please pay attention. No, any money you have not withdrawn into your bank account, hello sir, is not your money. That's first one. Second one is Forex with oh my god, people are making me I should be shouting. I don't like shouting when I'm teaching. I'm a calm teacher, please. I'm a calm man. Am I not calm? Oh, I'm a calm man. I don't like shouting. People are making me to be shouting. My Jesus. I don't want to be shouting. But Forex will show you everything. In fact, Forex will show you that I used to give up easily. You know those things that I say, don't give up. I don't give up on things. No. I'm resilient. I'm very resilient. They play. Just they play. Forex never show you. By the time you lose 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm done with this thing. I'm done. I thought you are resilient. I really thought you are. Did you not say it by yourself that you are resilient? Forex will show you that you are not resilient. In fact, you never receive anything. Talk of lent. Forex will show you that it's not your own. All those characters you thought you have, you don't have it too. You don't have all of them. Forex will show you. It's like a mirror. Yes. One you have not evidence inside your bank, it's not your own yet. Once it's inside your bank, yes, you can say it's your own. I'm showing you this because what you see on social media is not what it is. Oh, you know that song in Thundermans, Nickelodeon? How many of you watch Nickelodeon that time? What you see is not what you get. Living our life. What you see is not what you get to. What they're showing you online is not what Forex is. Okay. The more you look, let's see. There are Forex influencers. I have no problem with them. In fact, they are all my friends. If I call their names, you know them. They used to call me. In fact, one of them invited me for his birthday. He has a birthday coming up in a few days. He still invited me. My Oga, please, I want you to show face. I said, yes, I'm in the country. I'll show face. See, they are all my friends. All. Think of any name now. He knows me. I don't want to mention names. Any name you are thinking of now, I promise you on God's name. He knows me. He has my number. He sees my status. I see his status. Think of any Forex influencer. Anyone in Nigeria currently. Think of anyone. The one driving Lamborghini, Benz. Think of anyone. Cybertruck. Think of anyone. Think of anyone. Anyone at all. Anyone. Is it the one that does body wagon? Think of anyone. Is on my WhatsApp. Anyone at all. I'll not mention name. Is on my WhatsApp. Think of anyone. I'm telling you this so that you will know that I'm not trying to paint them bad. They're my friends. But if you want the reality of Forex, come, let me teach you. Come. You want to learn Forex, the way Forex is meant to be learned? Come, I'll teach you. Am I making any sense, please? When you blow your first 10,000 naira, so if you're going to for $15, it's like how much? 10,000 naira, you cry. You said I'm on this village, could be going. Oh my god, this pastor. No, I'm actually serious. Like everything, all the character you think you have, Forex to test it. But you know the best thing now, if you stay long enough, Forex will also build it. That's the truth. If you stay long enough, I used to tell people that there's no problem you bring to me that I'll be afraid of. I've seen the worst. So have they pointed gun at you on your forehead? Guess they. Oh my god, let's not go there, please. I asked the guy, I said, wait, do you want to kill me? You want to steal from me? Or you want to keep embarrassing me in the public? Choose one now, and I'm okay with it. Anyone you choose. You know what it means to speak with that confidence? The guy looked at me like, I thought it's not toy I'm holding. No. I said, do you want to kill me, steal from me, or keep embarrassing me in public? Pick one, but don't keep embarrassing me in public. I don't like this embarrassment you're giving to me. This is a public space. He looked at me. Cool, cash am. Give me everything. I gave him my phone, gave him my iPad, gave him everything. My two phones, give him everything. You know what can reach? God is my witness. God is my witness. God is my witness. He did not walk and reach 5 meters. He turned back and gave me everything back. He said, take. Yeah. This. I preach for him. The same person I wanted to kill me. You cannot give me anything I'll be afraid of. I feel like God sent Forex to teach me character of calmness. God sent Forex to teach me many things. So Forex will test everything. But if you stay long enough, the Forex that I'm trading, not the one that they're advertising, the one that me I'm trading, it will build those characters if you stay long enough. So if you think you are patient until you give investor money, and then every 2 days you are messaging the investor, Alpha, what's going on? You know that you're not patient. Forex will test it. Are you joking with Forex? Forex will test everything. Forex can take you from a billionaire to a carbonnier. Are you joking with Forex? You think you have 1 billion to blow, you finish that money till you reach kobo. And Forex can also take you to a nothingness, to a billionaire. I'm a testimony. I had nothing. At least now I have billions. It might not be dollar, but at least I know that in naira I have enough. Are you listening to me? Forex will test everything. Everything you think you have, test everything. Forex will test everything for you. Forex will test everything, A to Z. Test everything, one after another. Still long enough, you will reap from it. I needed to give you the cons first, so that if you wanted to leave, you would have left. Now, what are the pros? A lot of pros. Number one pro is Forex can take you from a carbonnier to a billionaire. I promise you. Oh my God. Forex is, trading generally, leverage trading. And by leverage trading, I mean crypto, Forex, stocks, and whatnot. That's leverage. Leverage trading is the only business in the world that you can put little or nothing, but you cannot put a cap to the profit. Including tech, you can put a cap to the profit. Except you're a tech founder that you can raise billions in Series A. I not disturb you. Did I mention your name? I not call your name now, tech founder. Uh-huh. But those of us that are doing this Forex of a thing, you cannot put a cap to the profits you're making. There is no limit to your profits. That's first pro. Am I making any sense? Nobody can say, come, I will define how much you make today. Nobody has the right. Nobody has the right. That's one of the pros in Forex, crypto, whatnot, anything. Nobody can tell you this is the highest profit you'll make today. It's a lie. You're not God. I'm not lying to you. And some days, let me tell you guys a story. See, if you are doubting what I'm saying, go to a demo account and just put 100 lot size. You see that you make $100,000 today. Though it's demo money, but you make $100,000 today. Now you're asking how how does that concern what I just said? The way concern it is anything you see in demo can be real. Demo means demonstration. Anything you can demonstrate, you can actually duplicate. Do you understand? So demo means you can actually make it real if it was real money. So if you can make $400,000 in a day, that means in real money you can make $400,000. Yes, you can. I promise you can. I promise you. What's the highest profit I've made in a day? I will not lie to you guys. It's just 130K. and it was investors' money, not my own. 137,000, 138,000 plus dollars. But it was investors' money. That's the highest profit I've made in one day. Your mentors online have made millions of profits in a day. No problem. I don't argue with them. Oh. Did you hear me argue? No. I don't argue with anybody. I'm not. I'm not arguing with them. But what I know is there's no limit to how much profit you can make as long as you have the capital. As long as you have the capital, there's no limit to how much profit you can make. Take it from me, there's no limit. There's no limit to how much profit you can make. Forex can make you stand out, yes. Yes, I believe. There's no limits. That's first thing. Second thing is Forex has a community. Hmm? And then those community is community of what's the word? Of rich people. How will I explain it to you now? When you see me and my guys hang out, like my Forex guys hang out, you will know that these people have money. I'm sorry to say, I'm sorry. Unlike when me and my church friends hang out, you will know that these people are spiritual people. You will know that these people are spiritual. When me and my Forex guys, they still have money. Those Forex boys, they get money. You get Forex as a community. The average community in your 9 to 5 cannot compare to the average community of Forex traders. The average community of your web developers, you cannot compare it to the average community of Forex traders. You cannot. In fact, you cannot compare the average community of your fellow pastors to the average community of Forex traders. I'm not trying to be rude, please, Pastor. Pastor, no verse for me. Pastor, no verse for me. I'm not trying to be real with them. Actually, I just want to be real. I don't want them to hear something else. Where no. Yeah, it's here. This is the truth. I'm telling you. This is the truth. This is the truth. I'm telling you. Do you understand what I'm saying? This is the truth. I'm telling you. This is the truth. Yes, I'm Pastor David, but I told them to save my name as Billionaire David, though, not Pastor David, though. So that they will not Billionaire David. Yes. Or Coach David, any of them. Mm-hmm. Yes, any of them. Any of them is okay. Either Coach David or Billionaire David. I love the Lord. I love the Lord with all my heart. God knows. Nothing else can take his place. God knows. Well, I've said a few things. I believe it's a good introduction for you to know what you're getting into. Forex is easy to understand. No, it's simple to understand, but it's not easy to understand. Simple meaning there are a few steps to take that if you follow, you get to the result. 100%. There are a few steps that if you follow, you will get to the result. Assured. That's Forex for you. So it's simple. Few steps, if you follow, you get to the end. And over the next few weeks, I'm going to be teaching you guys twice per week. The crypto educator will teach you twice per week. Because I think he even said he would do 3 times per week. I don't know. I'll confirm again. But I will be teaching twice per week. Each of my class will be an hour. Each of his class will be 2 hours because he has, more passion to teach. And he's teaching crypto and Web3 together. So his own needs more time than mine. Mine is just Forex. So mine will not take so long. 1 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes max. I'm done per week. That's 2 classes each. That should run to about 3 hours in the entire week. All right. So stay close to the group. We would announce, and then I'll do something for you guys. I'll open the group right now. I'll open all the groups. So go to the groups, everybody. Any of the group that you're on, go to the group, and any of the group you're on, go there, and I want you to write. I want you to write value, capital letter value in the chat box. Not in this chat box, in the group. Go and write capital letter value. I've opened the group now. The group is open. The group is open. Just write value in the chat box. The group is open now. The group is open now. Let me go to the group one and open group one. I've not opened group one yet. Okay, group one is open also. Go and write value, capital letter value on the group. I'm waiting to see those messages. Spam the groups with value in capital letter. Let's know that you got value today. So before I call it a day, let me go to the charts and just I believe I've addressed the new students. Now let's go to the charts for the old students. Your request is still pending. The group I'm talking about is group one or group two of the 2500 Forex training. Let me paste it on this place here. Let me paste it here because some people are asking for the group I'm talking about. Who's Pastor Kata? So for those that don't know the group I'm talking about, I've pasted the link on the group one. Let me go and paste it now on the Telegram so that those that want to join can join. If you're not on any of the groups, click the link I just shared. Just click the link I just shared. If you're not on any of the group, click the link I just shared. I need to take you to the group. Click the link I just shared. It's going to take you to the group. Just click the link I just shared. Click the link I just shared. It's going to take you to the group. So I didn't know there was a meeting today. I'm new and I just joined. Is this meeting every day? No, this meeting is not every day. This one is every Monday. We do it every Monday actually. We do this particular meeting every Monday. And what is it about? It's us teaching our existing students what to expect for the week. Sorry, I'm trying to reverse. It's us teaching our existing students what to expect for the week in terms of their trading. Um, it's us teaching them what to expect for the week. So you can actually go ahead and share with your friends who has not joined the call yet. You can go ahead and share with them so that they would join from next week. However, for the introduction to the entire program, started that one yet. Not started that one yet. The introduction to the program has not started yet. Don't worry. We'll do the introduction class. And once we do that, the program will start officially. The program has not started. Okay? The program has not started. So don't worry, you're not missing out on anything. You're not missing out on anything. What I want to do now is to just analyze gold. Once I analyze gold, XAUSD, then that would be a good way to end the class after analyzing gold. After analyzing gold, that would be a good way to end the class. Link to join the Telegram. Don't worry, I've shared. You know what? Let me share it here also. rccgu.elevatortrading.org. Okay. So this is the link for those that are not on any of the groups. This link will take you directly to the group after registering. To take you directly to the group. I'm on the group also, but please don't come to my DM. I beg you. My DM is filled up. In fact, let me show you. See, 1,307 unread messages. So my DM is actually filled up. You can see messages like messages coming in, coming in, coming in. I know the funny thing is unknown numbers. I don't know. You should not come to my DM. Please, I beg you, don't come to my DM. There's a lot of messages here, please. Yeah, I can't attend to everything. I can't attend to everything. I can't. Please. It's not for everyone group that I said you should join, sir. The one I said you should join in 2005. Just click the link I shared. It will take you to the group you're supposed to join. Leave by people one alone. The one I said you should join, the one you will join. Yeah? The one I said leave YP1, leave those ones are paid groups. Do you pay? No. Leave those ones alone. Go to the one I said you should join. You say it has not been approved. I'm not the one that approves it. There's an entire admin team at the back end. Once you are qualified, why not take you in? So just leave that one. Join the one that I said you should join. That one, they're going to teach you everything you need to know. Don't worry. You are in safe hands. Yeah? You are in safe hands. You are in safe hands. Don't worry. You are in safe hands. Sorry, I'm hearing a sound. Is there going to be a crypto training? Yes, please. When we Web3 class, oh, don't worry, relax. So I want to give just before I analyze gold, I want to give you guys a 30 minutes buffer, 30 seconds buffer rather. Okay, so guys, I'm back. You see, people have made me to commit offense now. Now they're dragging my DM that I've dragged pastors. Hey, pastors, I'm sorry. So let's get into the let's get into the um let's get into the analysis for gold. We analyze gold and analyze GBPUSD. So we're on the daily time frame right now. We're on the daily time frame. As you can see, gold is going up, man. All time high again. All time high again. All we can do is to buy, obviously. Where are we gonna buy from? I'll show you guys. Don't worry. Gold is in an all time high again. Again, as always. So where can we buy? This was the most recent liquidity grab here. So this is liquidity. This one here. This liquidity and price grabbed it. After grabbing that liquidity, price said, an upward move. So we can call this our protected low. All right, we can call this our protected low. We don't expect price to come back here any soon. That's basically what it means. This entire zone We can call it zone. No, this is not the demand zone actually. We can just call this place a protected low first. Let's call this place protected low. Protected low. Is my network lagging? What's going on? What's going on? My network is lagging. Can you guys hear me? Please talk to me. I think my network is lagging. If there's water close to you, drink it. Oh, thank you. I'll drink some water. And my network is lagging. Jesus. Anyways, these are protected low. Since you guys can hear me, I'm happy at least. If it's lagging, I'll just manage it. As long as you guys can hear me, just manage it. Oh, we're almost done with the class. Another 5 minutes, we should be done. We should be done in another 5 minutes. Um, yeah. So this is a break of structure to the upside. This is a break of structure to the upside. And the question is, after this break of structure, and before this break of structure, where is the origin of it? What led to the break of structure? Where is the origin of this entire move? This is the entire origin here. This whole place, right? Because this was what pushed price up. Now, if this was the origin, where's the other block in that origin? This is the other block in the origin. This is the other block that led to the bullish move. Now, this other block, all we need to term it is what? Bullish other block. Am I making any sense, please? But this entire origin is the demand zone. This entire place, this entire thing here is the demand zone. This entire thing here is the demand zone. But this is the origin. Am I making any sense? I'm coming. Some random guy started sending group chat link. What sort of irresponsible behavior is that? Olubodun Thomas. Let me chase him out of the group. Olubodun Olubodun Thomas. Yeah, remove from the group. Also irresponsible behavior is that? Very irresponsible behavior. Very irresponsible behavior. Very irresponsible behavior. Don't do that. Back to conversation, please. Um, I was saying that this entire place is the demand zone, but that's our bullish order block right there. Now, what we'll be looking out for is anything that will push price into this demand zone, into this order block, so we can continue to buy. However, pending when that happens, what other way can we trade this market? This is another break of structure to the upside that also occurred right now. This is another break of structure to the upside that also occurred. Where's the origin of this break of structure? Again, the origin is this same place actually. Same place. This is the origin. This is the origin actually. But we can see on 15 minutes. Let's see if we'll see anything reasonable for us. We can't do anything on we can't do anything on this. We can't do anything on this we can't do anything on this we can't do anything on this gold right now. Because of the way it's shooting up. We have to wait for it to come down. You can't do anything here. Don't do anything, oh, guys. You will shoot yourself in the leg if you do anything. Oh. Yeah, it has to come back down. It has to come back down. If it doesn't come, we're not entering. No retest, no trade. Let's go and look for another thing. Let's just mark this on red. Just that's not come for us. So let's look at GBPUSD. What's the daily time frame doing? GBPUSD daily time frame. That's been dropping the past few days. What do I want to do? I want to sell. On the 4 hour chart, it's currently rising, but it's rising to a sell position. I want to sell. That's what I want to do. Because that's what market said we should do. All right. So where are we selling from? Let's mark out the most recent break of structure. Mark out all the break of structures you can see. This is one break of structure here. This is another break of structure here. This is a very long break of structure here. But this one is not our business. This particular break of structure that just occurred is not much our business actually. It's not our business. This one that just occurred, this one I want to mark now, is not our business. Because we are not trading swing. It is our business if you are trading on a higher time frame, but we are trying to trade on a lower time frame, so it's not our business. All right. So looking at these two break of structures that are our business, where's the origin of it? This first break of structure, this is the origin here. Bearish order block. Now see what I'm saying. This break of structure that occurred here. This break of structure that occurred here. Hmm? Price. I'm trying to show you something that must happen in every chart. After a break of structure, price will come into the other block and fall again for another break of structure, then must come into the other block and fall again. Am I making any sense now? So price has mitigated this other block, and then it gave us a new low, printed a new low, and gave us a new other block. This new other block now has not yet been mitigated. This one now has not yet been what mitigated. Amen. This particular one has not yet been what been mitigated. Now, this one has not yet been mitigated. So we are trying to do two things. We're trying to wait for price to come into this place, and second, we're trying to sell. Now, in the process of waiting for price to come into this place, we can go to lower time frame and buy price into that place. Am I making any sense, please? You can go to the lower time frame and buy price into this other block above. Now, buying price in what sense? Price just did something good, just give us a break of structure. All right, all right, all right. Price just gave us a what? A break of structure. Now, I just printed this break of structure. Look at this. Oh, follow me closely, guys. See it here. Low, high. I know the new guys are confused, but just watch. The old guys understand what I'm saying. Low, low, high. After this low, this is the next low. Now, break of structure. We need it to come down. Yeah. Give us second one, which is change of character. That second one, it will now be our entry confirmation. Am I making any sense now? So after price has closed above here, you have to wait. Where is the bullish market in this thing here? This is the bullish market here. Do you understand? This is the bullish order block here. Do you understand what I'm saying? This is the bullish order block here. So this is where I'll be expecting price to test from something like this. Give me another one and then go up. Do you understand what I'm saying now? So I'll be expecting price to do that so that I can follow price up into where? Good question. Now this is the take profit I'll be looking at. Why? This is the take profit I'll be looking at. Take profit one. This TP1. Another take profit I'll be looking at on the 1 hour time frame will be that bearish order block. This FVG, fair value gap, to the beginning of the FVG. The beginning of the FVG. All right, the beginning of the FVG, I'll be looking out for a take profit 2, and then I'll be good on that end. Do you understand what I'm saying? Are you guys with me? Do you understand clearly what I'm saying? Um, what time frame is this? I'm analyzing on the 15 minutes time frame now. All right, I'm analyzing currently on the 15 minutes chart. All right, so we'll be expecting price, we'll be riding price into these two take profits. All right, so the reason I'm ending my profit is because this is our sell zone here. So I cannot still be buying when I expect price to start selling. Am I I cannot keep buying when I'm expecting price to start selling. I cannot keep buying when I'm expecting price to start selling. So I'll be looking forward to a buy from this place. First take profit is about 80 pips. Second take profit is about 142 pips. Take profit. Um, Here's our stop loss below the entire demand zone. Now, where's the demand zone? I've told you guys the origin for this break of structure Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Talk to me. The network is very good. Don't worry. But go past me. Can you hear me, please? Can you hear me? So this entire place, the demand zone, this entire place is the demand zone, all right? And like is our culture, we either keep the stop loss below the demand zone or at our fixed 20 pips. I like 20 pips stop loss. It gives me enough time to breathe, all right? So 20 pips stop loss is going to give us 1 to 7 risk to reward, which is very okay. Like very, very okay. So this is what I'll be expecting um on this market. Alright, this is what I'll be expecting on this market. Let me share with you people so that you can observe from your end. So this is my GBPUSD bias. I've shared with you guys across the groups. I've shared it across the groups. Please let me know if you've seen it. Good. It's good you guys have seen it. Now let's zoom out and call out the exact entries. Here's the exact entry point for this chart. So let me call out the exact entries on the chart. So entry is 1.304805. Stop loss is 1.304605. Take profit 1. So take profit is 127.15 RR. So full take profit is 1.36235. Yes. Take profit 1 is 80 pips. One to 4 RR. 1.35605. GBPUSD is use proper risk management always. Proper risk management always. Um So I've kept it there. Let me go to the Telegram. I've kept the chat there also on the Telegram so that you know what to do. So please, proper risk management. I beg you guys, proper risk management. I'm not the god of the markets, but I serve the God that is greater than the markets. But please, proper risk management. All right. So we're able to do gold and GBPUSD today. However, gold is not ready for us yet because it's in an all-time high. You cannot jump on a moving bus. Oh, we cannot jump on a moving bus. You have to wait for it to be ready for us, and then we'll fully trade. All right. So that's all from Coach David today. Um, so let me go through the chat. It says new. A lot of the analysis is still flying over my head. Yes, yes, yes. Like I said, this part is for the old students. The first 58 minutes of this call was for the new students. So please, new students, go ahead and watch the first 58 minutes. All right, first 58 minutes for new students. The many parts for old students. All right. The same link will take you to the replay. The same link will take you to the replay, the exact same link. And I believe that it was a good class today. I want to believe that it was a very productive class today. Okay. I have a good plan for you guys. I really have a good plan for you guys. I have a very good plan for you guys. Just please don't spam my DM with chats. I have a lot of messages. So I'm seeing people saying I don't understand. I'm new here in my chat. A lot of it. No, 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 no. Just wait for when we do the introduction for you guys. Okay. Um, just wait for when we do the introduction for the new students. That should happen this week. Because class is supposed to start also. Right? Your class has not started. All new students. You're still you're still uh, you're still early now. On which platform are you trading? That's not your business yet. When it's time, I'll teach you that. Okay. So have a good day. Have a good time. I want to see you at the top, not from the top. Because you know what is at the bottom is way too crowded. Like the bottom is so crowded. So don't hear anybody that says there's no space for you at the top. There's space. So there's space for you at the top. Oh. There's space for you at the top. There's a lot of space at the top. There's a lot of space for you at the top. Um, God bless you. Please go to the groups and write value or write thank you anywhere, but go to the group. Hey, Kene is a great guy. Nice keyboardist. He's a focused young man, very focused. So go to the groups and write thank you or write anything you learned on the group. I'll be on the group to talk to you guys there. I want to know what you learned today. So go to the group and let's talk. Go to the group and let's talk on the group, please. Thank you very much and God bless you. That'll be all from me today. Bye.